This review focuses on the best mini PCs in 2026 that offer powerful computing in ultra-compact designs that fit perfectly on any desk, in home offices, studios, or living rooms. Today's models range from budget-friendly systems perfect for everyday tasks to high-end machines capable of serious gaming, content creation, and AI workloads. Whether you're choosing a compact home theater PC, a powerful gaming rig without the bulk, or a professional workstation for video editing or AI tasks, 2026 Mini PCs provide excellent value and performance. They're ideal for users who want a full desktop experience in a small footprint with low noise and energy-efficient operation. See the link in the description box for the best models you can buy today. First up is the GEEKOM A7 Max Mini PC, which is a premium compact desktop computer designed for creative users, professionals, and power users alike, which starts at $699. This model packs an AMD Ryzen-9 7940HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of boosting up to around 5.2 GHz, delivering strong performance for multitasking, content creation, and productivity workloads. The system includes 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which enables smooth multitasking and future-proof responsiveness, as well as a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD for fast app loading and quick data access, expandable for larger storage needs. Graphics are handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M, which is surprisingly capable for a mini PC. It can handle 4K video, creative apps, and even light gaming without the need for a discrete GPU. The DDR5 memory and SSD together make everyday tasks feel quick and snappy. Connectivity is excellent with USB 4.0 and multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI outputs, and support for up to 8K displays, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep wireless networking and device pairing reliable. Overall, the GEEKOM A7 Max is a powerful and versatile mini PC that fits well on a desk, in a home office, or as part of a living room media setup. Its strong CPU, DDR5 RAM, fast SSD, and modern connectivity make it a compelling choice for users who want a full desktop experience in a tiny footprint. Next is the GMKtec Evo X2A Mini PC, which is a high-end compact desktop built for demanding users who want both AI performance and everyday computing power. It's typically priced around $2,399 for the 128GB plus 2TB SSD configuration. At its heart is the AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor, a powerful 16-core 32-thread CPU that boosts up to 5.1 GHz. Memory and storage are standout features here. The Evo X2 uses 96GB or 128GB of LPDDR5X-8000 MHz RAM, which runs at very high speeds for everything from AI model workloads to content creation and multitasking. Delivering fast boot times and quick data transfer, and additional M.2 slots allow expansion up to 16TB total storage. Visual output options are excellent, supporting quad displays with resolutions up to 8K via HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB 4 ports. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, and an SD card reader covering modern peripherals and networking needs. Overall, the GMKtec Evo X2A Mini PC is one of the most powerful mini PCs available, suitable for creators, AI developers, and professionals who want desktop-class performance in a compact chassis. Next up is the Minisforum MSA2 Mini Workstation, which is a compact but powerful bare-bone desktop aimed at professionals, creators, and advanced users who want serious performance without a full desktop tower. It's typically priced around $1,089. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 99955HX processor, a high-end Zen 5 CPU with 16 cores and 32 threads, boost clocks up to 5.4 GHz, making it excellent for multitasking, programming, virtualization, and content creation workloads. The integrated AMD Radeon 6 10M graphics built into the processor handles everyday graphics tasks, 4K video playback, and multi-monitor outputs. Storage is equally robust with 3 PCIe 4.0 NVMe slots. Network connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. dual 2.5G BELAN ports, and dual 10G BSFP plus LAN ports, which is excellent for high-speed wired networking in professional setups. The system also offers versatile display outputs, HDMI 2.1 and USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, capable of driving multiple displays up to 8K at 60 Hz or several 4K screens. Overall, this Mini PC is a great choice for users who want workstation-level performance in a small footprint, with enterprise-grade networking and expandability. Next is the BEELINK SER9 Pro Mini PC, which is a compact yet powerful desktop solution that blends strong performance with modern connectivity in a tiny chassis. It's typically priced around $639. At its heart is the AMD Ryzen 7 H255 processor, a Zen 4-based chip with 8 cores and 16 threads and boost clock speeds up to 4.9 GHz, delivering excellent multitasking and productivity performance for office tasks, creative apps, and streaming. The system comes with 32 GB of high-speed LPDDR5X RAM that enables smooth responsiveness and fast data handling, along with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD for quick boot times and ample storage out of the box. Graphics in the SER9 Pro are handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU. For displays, the PC supports triple display output via HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4 and USB 4. Connectivity is up to date with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, multiple USB-A and USB-C and audio jacks included for peripherals. Integrated graphics won't match discrete GPUs for heavy AAA gaming or high-end 3D work. Overall, the BEELINK SER9 Pro offers a premium mini PC experience with robust CPU power, fast memory and storage, and flexible output options that suit office, media, and light gaming use. Finally, the Asus Rog Nuc is a high-end gaming mini PC that packs flagship laptop-class performance into a compact chassis. A typical configuration with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD can cost around $2,349. At its core is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, a hybrid design with 24 cores and 24 threads, capable of boosts up to 5.4 GHz. This modern CPU handles gaming, content creation, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. DDR5 6400 memory support and an advanced triple-fan cooling system help maintain peak performance even under heavy loads. Graphics are delivered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 mobile GPU with GDDR7 video memory, which brings excellent visuals and frame rates in AAA games and creative applications. The 1 TB NVMe SSD offers fast boot and load times, and the system includes PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 4.0 slots for storage expansion. Connectivity is robust with Thunderbolt 4, multiple USB 3.2 ports, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 2.1 outputs and 2.5 gigabit LAN, allowing support for multiple high-resolution displays up to 5 4K screens. Overall, the Asus Rog Nuc delivers desktop-class power in a mini PC form factor, making it great for gaming, streaming, and creative workflows without a bulky tower. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.